Hey you lovely readers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Read with Megha. How you all guys doing? I hope you're reading a lot, and a very happy Diwali to all of my Indian viewers out there. I hope you enjoyed the festivities and at the same time you read a lot, because I didn't. So today's video is a fun experience of my reading slump, how I got into the reading slump, and now how I am getting out of that reading slump right now. So let's start the video. So from the title itself you might have guessed it, I was not able to complete even 2 books the previous month, that is in October, and there are few reasons for that, as there were festivities and all of that. So I'll be sharing that in this video, and what 2 books I chose to read for October. I chose around 10 books or something, 10 or 11, 12 books, something like that. You can check out the video, my October TBR video in the cards right here or here. So I chose the whole Harry Potter set that I chose that I will be reading the whole Harry Potter set in the October month, but I was not able to even start that, except from the first book that I read long ago. So all the 6 books are remaining and I'm not getting the time to read that. So for this video, I hope you are liking this as well. And I started reading this book first, 7 Days in Lynchwood Man. It was a planned read. I shared in my October TBR that I'll be reading this book. And why I chose this book, because this book was about racism and it was just 70 pages long, 70 or 75, something like that. But I could not even complete 70 pages. Oh my god, I am guilty. So I read almost half of the book and it was just okay. Let me finish this book and then put up my whole opinion. Let's not judge the book by just reading half story. Though the book is about racism, but it was like a normal story going on, and just once or twice there was some talk about racism. That's it, as far as the half story is concerned. But I am completing this book today only, so you will be seeing the review quite soon. And the second book is one of the beautiful book I have ever read this year. You can say that it's a thick book, more than 400 pages actually, and it's a Paris library, and the book is set in the war zone 1939 and 1983, and these are the 2 timelines the book is set in. It's a quite very much interesting read. Oh my god, I am loving this book. Have read around 80 to 100 pages so far, but oh my god, I have fell in love with the character Audlin, and she is such a superwoman. And I am really enjoying this book, and that's it. And now I will tell you why I was not able to complete just 2 books this month, not even 2 books this month. First one, that on the first week of October I was having a trip to Punjab, and then when I got back, so it took me few days to figure out and get back to the reading procedure and all of that. Then I chose these 2 books. Okay, I'm blank now. I have to edit that part. So sorry, I was blabbering non-stop, then I went blank. So now let's talk about the second reason of my reading slump. That was Netflix. No other word than Netflix. It just describe our whole emotion these days. So I majorly, though I also watched more shows or movies, but the main time consumed was by these three only, these three series only. And I'll be talking about them in the manner I like them. Like for the series I love the most, I'll be talking about in the end. So the first show I watched after getting back, that was Kota Factory, and I hope you have definitely you have heard about it or read it, watched it already. So I saw the second season recently. It was a great show. Human and basically student emotion is caught quite raw and unfiltered by this show. Though I loved the first season more than the second one, but it was also quite nice. Then second comes everybody's favorite, Little Things. I'll also attach the poster or the reference image of the series here only. And no word can describe the emotions Little Things deliver. That is quite effort, and that also quite effortlessly. So it is one of my favorite shows so far, and now it has come to an end. I miss them. So the third one and the last one and the most loved one was a Netflix original series that was made. I don't know how many of you have watched it, though it wasn't quite popular, but it is a damn like really gorgeous movie, I must say. Really interesting, really gorgeous, and too much emotions they delivered actually. Well, through the word maid, you might have guessed it right, that it is the house help or the maid that usually works in our house or anything like that. So you are thinking it ekdam correctly, and the story flows like this only. And few of the main reasons that I am talking about this story in brief, because one, I loved it the most, and it's a female centric lead, and third and the most important, it was a book pehle, then it was a quite successful book, then it was made into a series. And I will link the buying link, the made book buying link down in the description, and you can check it out. The story unfolds when the female protagonist of the series decides to leave her partner with their 3-year-old daughter. Why? Because she was actually regularly assaulted by her partner, not very much physically, but mentally, emotionally, and mainly financially. She was not allowed to work, she was not allowed to earn, she was just the partner has just kept her in the home to just look after the baby and nothing else, and just give him food and bas itna. So, and regularly assault her in numerous ways possible. So one fine day she decides to leave him and start a life on her own with her 3-year-old daughter. She faced a lot of issues and hurdles, obstacles, and whatnot while going through that journey. And as she was exploited for such a long time and was not earning and not having any experience, which it's quite tough to get a job. So she ended up being a maid only, and there she cleaned houses and all that. And through that job she discovered her path and decided to live up to that and pull off that with her daughter, along with her daughter. And the most interesting and happy part about this, in the end she was able to pull it off and just live her dream life with her daughter and divorce that partner or anything like that. And yes, so I really personally enjoyed the story. I hope you do as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do let me know that if you like the book and the Netflix recommendation both, and you want to see more videos or more of movies, series or films, recommendations or reviews in this channel, I will definitely bring up that as well. So Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will provide all the book links, book buying links, or maybe the Netflix link if it's available to watch these series. I will provide all these things down in the description. Don't forget to check that description as well. And I will meet you guys on the next video, which will be scheduled for Sunday most probably. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.